Forget pretzel, peta eta quul, petal, and all the other complicated GCSE English paragraphing structures that sound like evil spells. Instead, use this minimalist structure, which is cleaner and built for grade 9 analysis, PEA. This stands for point, evidence, and analyse, which can be broken down into explain and explore. Here's how it works. A point is just an interpretation of a quote that answers the question. You're telling the examiner what your argument is about a specific quotation, using the key words in the question or close synonyms. You then support your point with evidence, which is just the quotation that you based it on, embedded naturally into your sentence, using a phrase like "the writer describes how." And with your quote embedded, you then explain what it shows, suggests, implies, or emphasises, ensuring to connect your interpretation to an effect, like another interpretation, a reader effect, the writer's purpose, atmosphere, tone, mood, or a contrast. And finally, you explore your quote by filtering it for devices. This includes language devices, which you can remember via the NP Master FC acronym, structural devices, which you can remember via the SPACE acronym, word classes like nouns, adjectives, verbs, and adverbs, as well as form for English literature. Always aim to discuss at least 2 devices in your explorations. So let's say that you were asked the following question. In the extract, how does the writer use language to present Francisco? We would start by picking a quote related to the focus of the question, like this one. His voice was calm, articulate, like an Oxford professor made of steel. Then, we would use this quote as the backbone of our PEA paragraph. Here's what a sample point would look like. Here's the evidence we'd use to support it. Here's the explanation of the quote. And here's the exploration. Altogether, the paragraph comes out looking like this. Take a screenshot and make sure to learn it, because this structure is the benchmark for grade 9. Subscribe for more simple grade 9 GCSE English language guides and click the first link in the description if you'd like step-by-step help to achieving top GCSE grades.